So hello guys, welcome back to this channel, and today in this video I'm going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G, and this is going to be a long-term review of this device. As you all know that this phone was launched back in 2022, and today in this video I will tell you that should you buy this phone in 2023 under 35,000 or not. So this is going to be my long-term review, and actually I have been using this phone for more than 2 weeks now, and I am using this as my secondary device as I am a primary iPhone 13 user. So I will be sharing my user experience with you guys about everything that you need to know about this device, okay? And I have already unboxed this device, and you can watch that unboxing video. The link is in the I button of the video. And if you like my video, please consider subscribing to this channel, and let's get started with the video, okay?
So first of all, let's talk about the build quality. So this phone is literally made up of plastic. They call it a plastic bag, which is made up of plastic but looks like glass. But let me tell you guys, you are not getting that premium feel when you hold this phone. But thanks to the metallic cases, that you get some premiumness in this phone, right? Because you are paying so much for this device, like 35,000 even after 1 year of launch, it is on selling at 40,000 on Flipkart and Amazon. So in sale, you are getting it around 30 to 35,000. But still, this is a expensive phone, and they should have at least used the glass back panel, right? So this was the first problem with this device. But the best part about this phone is its display and the software that Samsung promises to give you. So Samsung has promised 4 year of OS updates and 5 years of security updates, which is you know so good that even Google is not giving such software support, right? So that is why I have purchased this device as my secondary device, because of the Samsung support for long 4 years. And since I have purchased after 1 year of the launch, so I will be getting like again Android 14, 15, and 16 on this device, plus 1 year of additional security updates. So I am like, relaxed for the future with this device, right? And the main selling point of this phone is its display, its camera. It has got telephoto lens, which is again, you know, so good that you can literally take your portrait photos in 3x zoom with the use of the telephoto lens, which is again outstanding thing, right? And I simply love this feature. And you can use Samsung Pay that I am showing right now. This is again one of the most important selling point of this phone. Using NFC, you can pay at any shop. Using this NFC feature, you don't have to carry your credit or debit card. The phone is itself your wallet, right? So Samsung Pay is there, which is again a very good thing. Apple Pay is not functional in India, so Samsung Pay does the job, and it even works without the SIM card in your phone, right? So this was and it has got 120 hertz Super AMOLED display, which is again pleasure to use this phone. This is again very smooth experience. If you are using iPhone 13, you will feel iPhone with its 60 hertz is still so smooth, but 120 hertz you will feel on this device. But the AMOLED panel that is used here is not the best Galaxy experience that you get on S22 series or S21 series, because this is a fan edition device. So you are not getting that top-notch quality display in outside, but inside your room, when you are watching any content on Netflix or any OTT apps, the HDR10 support is there, so you literally enjoy the display. Display is the major selling point of this device, right? And the social media experience is amazing. So anything that you want on an Android, this phone can do for you. This phone is not for gamers, so gamers should not buy this. They should literally avoid this because of the Exynos 2100 in this. But for daily user like me, who has this phone as secondary device, or if you are one who is not using your phone for gaming, then this phone is again a perfect phone for you. Amazing phone. This has got better cameras are actually good, at par with iPhone 13. If you are using it for taking photos, then it should be fine. But in terms of videography, we all know iPhone is industry leading thing, right? And when you talk about the network on this device, network is again very good, guys. I have 40 Mbps Airtel internet connection, and this phone literally gives you like so much speed, 72 Mbps on 40 Mbps plan, which is way better than my iPhone 13. So network connectivity is so good on this device that I literally enjoy using this, right? So this is the one of the important feature of this device, and I think you should literally buy this device if you are looking for a decent phone under 35,000. If you get this phone under 35,000, this is a one of the best purchases that you will ever make. But the battery life is something that you should consider before buying. So screen on time that you will actually get. In my uses, I have very less users, so I am actually using this for 2 or 3 hours a day. That's it. But if you are using this as a primary device, you need to charge this phone twice a day if you are a heavy user. But if you are a normal person who just takes call, uses some social media, then this would work fine for you, right? And at last, I have purchased this case from offline market for just 250 bucks. And this case is also fine. Silicone case hai, so there might be some smudges, but it does the job. And the buttons are clicky. There is nothing to complain about this. It has got Samsung branding and everything is good in this phone, right? So I will suggest that you should keep a case because of this plastic bag. You should get a skin or the case. So whatever suits you, you should buy this. And phone literally feels good in your hand. In hand feel is good. Phone size is absolutely, very good. 6.4 inches are the best phones out there in the market. The weight distribution is also amazing, just 177 grams, guys, with always on display. What else do you need with IP67 rating and everything? This phone is amazing. Social media experience is good. What else do you need? Camera is good. You can actually record phone calls without letting the other person know that you are recording. Sometimes it's useful for your own safety. Yeah. So this phone does the job. You can't do these things on Apple. There is no Apple Pay in India. So you need to rely on Samsung Pay for these features. Yeah. So I think in my opinion, this phone does the job and this is amazing phone, guys. You should buy this.
So guys, this was all about the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G and my long-term review of this device. So please do let me know in the comment that what do you feel about my videos, guys, and please consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.